Alright, good morning. So today we're gonna get up onto the roof. I just bought this ladder here. Hopefully it's pretty stable. It'd be kind of nice to have something to clamp it on top. Yeah, we're gonna go up there and inspect the roof. A small leak with the last storm, so what we're gonna do is try to find out what's going on. I did trace it down to a roof vent, so yeah, that's what happens if you get into this housing game. Okay, so that last area was a little bit too sketchy for me to go up in the back. I came around the front here. This way if I have to take a dive, at least I'm on the grass. So let's do it. All right, so here we're up here. We just have to get off the ladder. All right. Okay. So we did it. The tricky part is always getting off the roof. Let's kind of hang out here. Check out the neighborhood. See what we've got. Okay, so the roof looks like, to be honest with you, the roof looks like it's in really good shape overall. I don't see a lot of issues. We've got these vents here. This is the one that seems to be having a small leak. So, yeah, so this looks like something's been done before. Right here, the water's kind of running down, and I'll bet you it's kind of pooling in through here. So what we could do is we could add some sealant all around here. So what we're going to do is we're going to 3D print a piece that's going to be like a flashing that's going to go around there, and then we're going to use roofing tar to seal it all in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Fusion 360, and we're going to make a custom piece, kind of like a bit of a skateboard ramp with a radius, and it's going to fit on the corner where we know that we have those low spots. And yeah, I think that's a good strategy. All right, I'm back, and guess what time it is? It's time to 3D print. So I got this bad boy warming up right here. Oh, this is a pretty big piece. 2.5 hours to print this. So it gives me an estimate up here. All right, 38 minutes left, and this is what we got. I would say it's not too bad. Let's grab this guy. We've got the storm coming in, so timing is pretty good. Hot off the printer. Yeah, looks pretty good to me. All right, let's go check it out. That looks really good. All right, I'm up on the roof again, and we got storm clouds coming. This is the part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tuck it under here. Tuck it under here like that. And caulk underneath. Yeah, we'll caulk underneath, caulk up the edge all around through here. And then this part's obviously fine. And I think we'll be generally okay. We're gonna get it in here because it's starting to rain. So we got our roof tar here, roof repair, so we're gonna use that guy. It is officially raining, and we've got this piece in here that's well sealed in on the corner. The other side didn't look to be leaking, but I just threw a bunch extra. Let's get off this roof here where the lightning comes.